Aren't you curious what types of people visit your website and what they look at? Would you like a better understanding of what visitors find value in on your site? Well, today we'll learn about Google Analytics and how to set it up on your website. Hey collaborators, Logan here with this week's episode on how to get started with Google Analytics. Today we'll go over how to create a Google Analytics account. You'll need a Google account, so see the video link at the top. How to add a tracking code to your website, as well as how to understand the basics of analytics. So to create your Google Analytics account, head to analytics.google.com, click the main blue button, name your account, and usually a business name is a good choice. Click Next, choose Web and click Next again, and now fill out your data. So your website name, your URL, be sure to choose HTTPS if you have an SSL installed, your industry, your time zone, and then you're going to be able to accept some privacy agreements. Now, here, it takes you straight into Google Analytics and it actually brings you straight to your tracking code. So to add this code to Wordpress, we're going to copy it, keep it safe, and then log in to your website. So if you have a specific theme on your WordPress site, then it might have a Google Analytics section for you to paste it into. For instance, at Cohlab, we use the Untitled Child theme here. So you can add the tracking code through the Google Services section, which you see here. If your theme doesn't have a nice slot to put that tracking code in, hover over Appearance in your WordPress menu, click Theme Editor. Then on the right-hand side, you're going to find your theme header. Click that, and then you're going to paste that code, the tracking code, in before the final head tag. So in a few days, once you've got this all saved, you're going to start to see data showing up in analytics that you can actually use. So there are three main areas that you want to explore and start to get familiar with in analytics. First is audience. This gives you an overall look at how many people are visiting, what geographic areas they're from, how long they stay on your site, and how many leave without visiting any other pages. That's the bounce percentage. See one page, leave without going anywhere else. Now, acquisition tells you what marketing initiatives are working. So are people coming to your site from social media, from organic searches, from ads, from other sites that are linking to you on the web? Do they have your site bookmarked? Are they just going directly to it? Behavior tells you which pages they're visiting, how long they're staying, which pages they visited before and after on their journey through your site. So be sure to play with changing the dates you're observing in the top right corner and eventually compare performance historically so you can see how you're improving. So thanks for watching. Check out our other Marketing Monday videos on the left to help you learn how to develop your website and handle digital marketing for your company.